Hello friends, this is Roy from thenewsbubble.com and eagleVR.com. I'm here to do some unboxing and some testing of the Eagle VR headset with various game consoles, trying to see if this system here, which is the Eagle VR headset, is compatible with doing VR on the current game consoles. I mean, I've tested it with the PS3 already, and by default the PS3 doesn't work because of the copy protection that they put in the HDMI signal. I've been told that there's a couple of powered HDMI splitters that will strip that copy protection off so that I can still take the HDMI port on here. Let me show you. There's there's a USB, HDMI, you've got your audio here, HDMI, and the micro SD card. Now this is a Google Cardboard class headset that has the electronics built in. So it's got a 1080p, basically it's a tablet. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no cell phone signal, so that this doesn't require a cell phone connection or a computer or console to use it. You can run it independently on its own. Or you can, through the HDMI port, you can plug this into a game console or a USB, device such as PS3, PS4, Xbox, Xbox One. I've already tested this with a PC, and I've tested this with a MacBook Pro. And it does work, with both as an external monitor. You can see here I'm updating the operating system on the PS3 that I've got here. I've got an Xbox One, an Xbox 360 here that I'm going to be testing this with also. Over here on the bed, behind me you can see that there's a number of boxes here. That have some cables and accessories and stuff that I bought from Amazon.com. There's also a PS4 and an Xbox One that's brand new from the store. They haven't been unboxed, so that you know that this is. I'm not doing anything funky that's not being shown, because my primary goal is to show that VR can be done affordably, and that you can use VR to enjoy the games that you already have, either on your cell phone or on your game consoles or on your computer. And you don't need $1,000 computer to run it. You don't have to have this new high up-end system, because the Rift and the Vive are both fantastic systems, but they require an expensive computer and high-end processor to run, and like several $100s just in the video card. And this headset here costs $400 currently. I'm hoping that if we can get enough of these selling, that I'll be able to drop it down to about 350 to 300 eventually is what I want to do. Is hopefully by next fall I'll be able to get enough traffic that I can buy in bulk and sell these for about 300. Now this headset, I have two of these. This one's black, which is the main one that's going to be shipping. I have a white one. The white one was an Asian version, so that some of the options were not localized for the American market. Now I'm going to clip the phone to the box here. In a moment I'll go grab a tablet so that I'll have another device here so that I can watch the comments that you guys make while I'm working. Try and figure out the best place to set this up. Yeah, hopefully that'll work. Now you can see that I've got a PS3 here, that I'm going to set up with. Now I've been told that there's a particular brand of HDMI splitter, that will work with hooking up this headset. It's basically you do it the same way you're doing for running multiple monitors on a PS3, or setting up the PS3 for streaming on Twitch. Now in the box here, I ordered 2 different video splitters. I've ordered a network router so that I can run my network signals to multiple devices, and then I bought some extra cables and stuff. Some HDMI cables and some USB cables. I've got the View HD. This is one of the splitters that I bought. Let's see. This is the network hub. Okay, and then this is the other splitter, which is the mono price 1:2 mini HDMI splitter. Now, I've been told by various people that both of these splitters will work. One of them I was told, I found on a video, on YouTube that was talking about the View HD. And this one here, I was looking at streaming on, streaming from the PS3 onto Twitch, and they said that you had to, have a special splitter that strips it out. Now, I just found a Twitch app here on the, let's see, select this here. There was a Twitch app here on this that I'm not sure if it's for streaming or if it's just for watching Twitch, and that's something I'll find out. Okay. Now let's go ahead and pull this out, because these are about $30. The VR headset is $400. So that if this works with if I can get the headset to work with the PS3, it means that we'll be able to play all of our favorite 2D games, or 3D console games like Skyrim and Call of Duty and Fable and all of the others in 360. And we don't have to wait, until next October for the Project Morpheus PS4 console to come out, because, that only works with the Xbox 4, and the Xbox 4 is not reverse compatible, so that the games that you have for PS3 you can't run, with the Xbox or the PS4. Okay. Now let's see, power and splitter for this one. Okay. Now I've been told that it has to be a powered splitter. Just a standard HDMI non-powered splitter isn't going to do it. So I'm going to test this one here first. I've got an HDMI cable here that I'm going to plug into the back of the console. Let's see. Plug this into the input here. Now you can see here that, I'm already got the PS3 up and running, and you can see the little Twitch app here. I'm 419, so that's fairly new. So I'm hoping that that'll have this Twitch set up for streaming. But the main thing is to see if I can hook my VR headset to the game console. I'm going to go ahead and take the HDMI from here, plug the HDMI. Oh, that's the splitter to the headset. Okay. Okay. If you've got any questions, go ahead and ask. I see that I've lost all of my viewers. I guess it's not active enough currently. I mean, it's not super fancy. So I've got my HDMI out, going to the TV. Hopefully this will work. Yes! So the signal's going to the TV. Now I'm going to take the cable, plug this into the headset, and see if I can get a signal to the headset. Go ahead and power this up. It's going to take a moment to boot up. Hello, I'm Roy. I'm from eagle-vr.com and thenewsbubble.com. I'm a VR evangelist, and I'm here to test the Eagle VR headset with various game consoles and see if we will be able to play our favorite games from our existing hardware. I mean, with this headset. This is a $400 headset. That's a Google Cardboard class headset that's all-in-one. Everything, I mean, the 1080p electronics is built in. You don't have to add a cell phone. So that, I mean, you can run your Google Cardboard, I mean, apps and stuff, I mean, directly through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, downloaded directly from the Google Play Store, and run it on this headset. Now, I've got the interface up, and I'll give you a glimpse of this before I change this out. Now, the optics here are, I mean, very similar to that for the DK2, and that stopped. Okay, let's switch this around. Okay. You can see the operating system here. I mean, you've got your local, you've got your HDMI, you've got your apps, settings, store, so on and so forth. So this is a 1080p, I mean, resolution is split in two, so that you've got the same thing on both sides. I mean, this one's still got the optics in, so it's distorted. But, I mean, if I turn on the HDMI, get it back in here. The optics back in so I can properly see. Come on. Now I've got this green bar across here. Let's try this. Switching these around. See if that'll make a difference. Oh, it popped up there for a second. So maybe it's competing with the signal from the TV. Move the cable. Because the signal came through there for a second. It's showing blank. Console recognize the TV first, and then plug in the headset. Field of vision is locked, field of vision is unlocked. So that way, I guess that allows you to pan. Let's see. Go back to the. Turn on the cursor. Okay, and this isn't showing. It showed it there as a flash for a fraction of a second, so it is possible. It's just a matter of getting the right signal in. HDMI plugged out. Okay. Powering up the box. Oh, flashed there a couple of times. Okay. Oh, it's not working with this one. Let's see.